This daily attendance tracker is a great way to keep track of students' participation and attendance during distance learning. Each sheet is set up for every month of the year. And what you'll need to do is go through and add each of your students' names. And once you have them added to your first sheet, you'll select them all, copy, and paste it to all of your other sheets so that they're ready to go. Now, when you select a student and you mark them as present, the totals columns will auto-populate over on the side here. So for example, student number 1 has 1 day present, and that's 3% present for the month. Now let's fast forward and say that this student is present for about 50% of the month. I'm going to press space bar and that will select all of them. Now look what happens. Since this student has passed the 50% threshold, this automatically turns turquoise. So you can see who is showing up at least half of the time. Another neat feature is that this is designed so that you'll be able to scroll and the fields will be locked. And what I mean by that is, for example, if we are in a larger view here and you need to scroll down to see some of your students down here, as you scroll, you're not going to lose these columns up here, these rows with the month and then the days of the month. Those are not going to disappear. And the same goes for if you're trying to scroll to the side over here to see where the percentages are, the totals. So if I do this and I start to scroll that way, I'm still going to be able to see my students' names. So you'll still be able to see whose row that is. Everything is editable, so you can change the colors, the words, the numbers. You can even remove this picture and insert your own picture by clicking on Insert, Image, and then choosing an image in the cell or over the cell. So this spreadsheet is a really great way to track the attendance throughout the entire year and make sure that your students are showing up during distance learning.